Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, XM satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated seats, navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.